are 200 hives or colmenas. So these hives are in 20 different locations, 200 of them, 20 different locations. What happens? You know the Baru volcano, you saw it?
Yes.
So around the Baru volcano, there's a national park called the Baru Volcano National Park. And most of our hives are nearby that park. So what happens? Depending on the nectar that the bee goes, you're gonna have a different flavor of honey. So that's why we have so many flavors, because our bees go mostly to wildflowers in the Baru Volcano National Park. Most of the hives are in private properties nearby the national park. Either Emily pays them, or she exchange honey with them to pay them. And some other hives, we have two other locations, one near a citrus plantation and the other one near a sugarcane plantation, or ingenio, we call it. So what happens? Every year you get new flavors. How do we name them? This is the wheel for the flavors. So it's not that we do like a scientific study to know like from which exact flower they came. What we do is just take the honey and we taste them, and depending on the quality of the taste, we arrange them. It could be a fruity flavor, a floral flavor, it could be a more molassy flavor, more citric flavor, more neutral flavor. So it's not that we put like, okay, the name of the flower. No, we put mostly on how it tastes. That's how we name them. So these are our pure honeys, except from this one. So we don't add anything to it. It's just straight from the hive, and depending on where the hive is, they're gonna have a different flavor. The honeys go from more neutral to more sweet to sweeter, and these ones, the ones we got here, are infusions. So it means that we put our honey and one ingredient more. Like for example, this is hot peppers or ají chombo and honey, and this is cacao, honey, and hot peppers. This is cacao and honey, lavender, honey, and chamomile, cinnamon and honey, ginger and honey, turmeric, black pepper and honey, and this is the cream honey. This cream honey, we take this honey and we put them in a tank and we beat it at low temperature. So instead of heating it, we cold it up.
Did you add something?
No. We put this in a tank and then we beat it at low temperatures.
How long?
For about, it depends on how much you have. Mostly it's around 3 hours, 4 hours. So when you cold something up, because our temperature is below zero and honey has water, and you know when you make ice, and it will be kind of whitish. That's why it takes this white color. We do that because honey could be a little bit runny, and this is better for spreading like in a toast, in bread. So
And some people use it as a cosmetic.
yes. Honey, and actually the properties of honey, you can put in your face. You can. The Romans actually used to use honey for their battle wounds, so it has pretty well-known medicinal properties. And this is the honeycomb. Actually, you can eat that. This is kind of like nature gum. Es como un chicle natural, que lo pueden comer también. Y los invito por favor a que empiecen. No hay un orden. Lo único que les pido es que